This is weird. I can tell what happened. Zimmerman, he is guilty. This is kind of weird. I can tell what happened, and I looked this up online. Okay, here go like, you know, Trayvon Trayvon did nothing to Zimmerman. He just could have left him alone. He could leave them alone. Then stuff like this would even happen. See, well actually Zimmerman just got mad and killed him. But that is like a crime, and that's bad. See, so okay, when Trayvon Martin was getting out of the store, he had a pack of Skittles, and he had something to drink on his hands, but it wasn't a drug. It really wasn't a drug. He just needed something to drink, and so then when he was walking when he was walking on when he was walking on the sidewalk going home, then he ran into Zimmerman. Then Zimmerman he just wanted to follow him. That's all. He wanted to follow him, and he just wanted to do that. So then Trayvon trying to get away so he won't get hurt, not like that. Then Zimmerman just followed them, and the cops told him not to follow them. So then I think I heard they said like they was in the backyard. Then Trey then people heard a gunshot. Then they found Trayvon Martin dead when Zimmerman killed him. See, that's what happened now. If y'all just heard of him, y'all don't know what, like, if this happened, then that's what happened. Like, that's all I need to tell y'all.